So you might be in position where you want to go ahead and actually check your old stories on Facebook. In this quick tutorial video I will show you how to enable your old Facebook story to archive, and then you'll be able to see in any time that you want your all old stories. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. This process is very simple and doesn't require much effort. It can be done with any device, being an Android or iPhone. So let's jump right in. Open up Facebook app. You should open the main menu. To do this, tap on 3 horizontal lines. If you see 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner, it means your device is on the Android system. If you see 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right corner, it means that your device is on the iOS system. All actions for Android and iOS devices are now identical. Tap on See Your Profile here. Next to Edit Profile, tap on 3 little dots. From Profile Settings, tap on Archive. You'll be able to see at the top left side of screen Story Archive. Tap on it. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And you'll be able to see next to Save to Archive this toggle. You should enable this toggle. This means you turn on Archive to save your stories automatically after they're disappearing. Only you can see your story archive. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.